In the labyrinth of life, we often find ourselves confronted with rejection. It comes in various forms: dismissals, denials, and disapprovals, each carrying the potential to strike at the very core of our being. In these moments, our instinctual response may be to react emotionally, allowing anger, frustration, or despair to take hold of us. But what if I told you there's another path? A path less traveled, yet infinitely more empowering. Enter the realm of Stoicism, an ancient philosophy that beckons us to embrace rejection with open arms, not as a foe to be vanquished, but as a teacher to be honored. The Stoics, those noble warriors of the mind, understood that true strength lies not in the absence of emotion, but in the mastery of it. Picture this: a Stoic sage, unshaken by the winds of fortune, standing firm amidst the tempest of rejection. With a serene countenance, they meet each wave of adversity with a steadfast resolve, guided by the timeless wisdom of their forebears. As the great Stoic philosopher Epictetus once remarked, "It is not events that disturb people, it is their judgments concerning them in essence. It is not the rejection itself that causes us suffering, but rather our perception of it." By cultivating a mindset of resilience and equanimity, we can transcend the limitations of our own reactions and find solace in the midst of chaos. Consider the story of Marcus Aurelius, the revered emperor and Stoic luminary. Despite facing relentless opposition and betrayal throughout his reign, he remained unruffled, drawing strength from his inner citadel of virtue. In his timeless work, Meditations, he implores us to reject your sense of injury, and the injury itself disappears. Indeed, by relinquishing our attachment to external outcomes and embracing the inherent impermanence of life, we free ourselves from the shackles of suffering. In the words of the Stoic poet Seneca, we suffer more often in imagination than in reality. Thus, by reframing rejection not as a calamity, but as an opportunity for growth, we reclaim our agency and emerge stronger than before. But let us not mistake Stoicism, for it is not a doctrine of impassivity, but rather a philosophy of profound engagement with the world. The Stoic sage does not suppress their emotions, but rather transcends them through mindful discernment and virtuous action. So the next time rejection comes knocking at your door, remember the wisdom of the Stoics. Take a deep breath, acknowledge your feelings without judgment, and channel your inner strength to respond with grace and resilience. For in the crucible of adversity, we forge the steel of our character and emerge as architects of our own destiny. In the words of the Stoic master Epictetus, do not seek to have events happen as you want them to, but instead want them to happen as they do happen, and your life will go well. Embrace rejection as a catalyst for transformation, and let the flames of adversity kindle the fire of your inner resolve. Together, let us embark on this journey of self-discovery and self-mastery, armed with the timeless teachings of Stoicism. For in the crucible of rejection, we uncover the true essence of our humanity and emerge victorious, not in spite of our trials, but because of them.